Hello and welcome to Craft Divas. So I was seeing a lot of people asking about Uno themes and I've seen this before. So I am going to show you, do a little tutorial of something that I've seen um, of how to do the Uno. Now this is the chip bag that I was creating, but I'm not going to finish this up because I want to show you guys something that you can do to make your little Uno card borders for the Uno. So, of course, let's get an example of, I just got an example of how Uno cards look. And then we kind of gonna go from there. So, I'm gonna get a shape. And, of course, I'm gonna do this as, let's do, I don't know. Wait a minute, what did I do? Let's do Sheffield red, right? And hold on. Yes, we're gonna make this 5. So the Sheffield red, and then we're gonna get a. I need to get an oval. So I'll turn this a little bit and make it into an oval. And so I don't have to keep going back and forth. I'm gonna pull this up Uno card on my phone so I can take a look see at it. Alright, so alright, there we go. Let's see. Yeah, I haven't done this in a little while. Right? Yeah. That is about right. Oh, actually, this is. Hold on. This one. Alright, so this one is white. And then you got this card here. This one that goes in the middle. Yeah. Put no outline. And this one is going to be red. I just said no outline. My fill is going to be red. And I'm going to send that to the back. And this needs to be white with no outline. And then alright. And let's do it as what number do I want it to be? So then let's do, actually it has white on all sides. Alright, and then I am going to bring in the number. So let's do 5. First, you gotta do a big 5 to go in the middle. And then you have to do small ones. Well, I could just take it and probably copy and paste this. Copy and paste. Alright, make this 5 red with a black outline. So that's your Uno or your Uno inspired, as someone to call it, so it won't be that they're using, the exact product. Let me go to this back one and do no outline, then take and group everything together. So now you want to get another one. So let me copy and paste this, right? And I'm going to copy and paste this, and I'm going to change the color real quick. Alright, so I went ahead and did 3 of them. So this is what you do. I'm going to go ahead and copy this again and paste this. And it's just a B for the tutorial purposes. But you would do all that you want to do as far as what colors you want and whatnot. I do have a tutorial already that has the measurements on how to design your own chip bag, so be sure to check that out. Alright, so what I'm going to do is here it goes. My numbers, my what are they called, my cards. I'm going to shift and group all of them together, so I have all of them here, right? Okay. Alright, so while I have all of them together, you can make them the size you want. Actually, I need to ungroup them and put them closer together. So first of all, they're a little too short. Okay, record. Alright, I'll make them just a little skinnier. Alright, and then they need to be all closer together. So you're going to make it into a border. So you're going to do it like one here and overlapping each other just a little bit. And you keep going all the way through. Like, so if you had different colors and different numbers, that's how you would do. Put a blue and all. So I'm going to do some more and overlap them. Just give me just a sec. Okay, so I made some more and I grouped them together. So here goes my cards. Now you can do a border like this. You can make them small. Oh, that one didn't go. You can make them smaller. I would say I would prefer crop them down and then you can so I'll show you in a second what I mean by cropping them down. Alright, so what you have to do is take it and save this as a picture. So I'm going to save it. Downloads. And then I have to import it. Alright, so I'm going to move that out the way. So import it in here. And then take and crop. Oh, I'm cropping it wrong. Alright, click on it and crop it. So crop it down. Or up. Either way you want to do it. Stretch it. And that'll be your border. And then you can just take and copy and paste this and flip it around. I flipped that a little too fast. Well, no, you don't want to flip it around. Alright, let's flip it back. Did I flip it back? No, I didn't. Okay. Flip it back. And since it is a cropped item, go ahead and crop it. So bring it back to the front top is what I'll do. And then just crop the bottom. Alright. And sit it there. It's a little uneven, but you know, get the whole concept of it. So there you go. That is your border. Now you can crop it down some more. You can make it smaller, shorter. So let's make it a little shorter. There we go. There we go. There is the border. So what I use for the background, I use a chalkboard background. So you can just put chalkboard background, chalkboard PNG. So that's chalkboard background, and then you can design your left and right side how you want. I put a thicker border, a green and a red on there on the ends. So I just went the format, shape, outline, and I went to the weight and made it a thicker border on the two sides. And I can just take it and I can delete that. Like I said, if you want to do, all the colors, then, add the blue as well, and it's same method, or you can add the wild card. Just make your own. That way, it doesn't look exactly like theirs, but it still look like it a little bit. So it's your Uno inspired, and design it however you want. So I just want to come over here and show you guys how to do the border for your Uno, and then you can decorate it the way you want it. So thanks for watching, y'all. Have a great night.